Okay, so you finally got the courage to get in front of her. You don't know what to say. You probably don't even know how to act. You just stand there awkwardly. You can't even engage in small talk, bro. And that's the thing. Small talk's not even that hard. That's what I'm gonna help you do. See, all you gotta do is keep it small. I know, obvious, right? But too many of you try to think that you need to go into this like 10-minute deep conversation with a chick to get her hooked or interested in you enough to get the number. You don't need that, bro. Keep it short and concise. Not only does that respect her time, but it also avoids you stumbling over your words or stuttering. See, once you break your composure and you start stumbling, it is so hard to regain that confidence back mid-conversation, and you pretty much fumble the bag. So keep it small. And then that takes me to number 2, be direct. See, if you're precise, you're concise, right? And then you're direct with your intentions, you're gonna crush it. Women, when they see you, they judge you into 2 categories. You'll either be the nice guy that's gonna be friend zone for the rest of his life, or you're gonna be boyfriend material. I need you in this bucket. And to do that, you have to be direct with your intentions, with your body language, with how you talk, with the compliments you give her. Those first 2 minutes, she should know very clearly that you're there because you're interested in her. And like I said, this takes me to number 3. You have to have strong eye contact. See, your body language needs to tell her this. You can't just be confident with how you talk. Your body language and what you're saying need to be moving on the same wavelength. It needs to be complementary. So when you get that strong eye contact, when you're really looking at her in the eyes, that's when she's gonna feel that confidence, and it's gonna merge perfectly with the small talk you're engaging with her. She's gonna know, yo, this guy's not only confident and attractive, I kinda like this dude. Keep that eye contact strong, as at the same time of you being confident and direct, and you'll have a superpower. Anything you talk about, no matter how small it is, you have her in your palm. And if it's really that uncomfortable, I've always told you, yo, just put on a pair of glasses. A pair of glasses makes life so easy. See, you grab something sexy, not only does it level up your fit, not only do you automatically feel more confident and attractive, now you have a physical blocker that's reinforcing that confidence, and you can lock eyes. And yo, psychologists have studied why glasses make you look more attractive. And part of the reason is that it blocks your eyes. Your eyes are the most intimate region in your body, right? You really get to see like deep into the soul. When you block that, you add an air of mystery to yourself. So on top of looking attractive, confident, and mysterious, of course, bro, you got it in the bag. If you don't have a good pair of glasses, you gotta check out Jade Black. Yo, this entire frame is Italian acetate. The same handmade Italian acetate you're gonna find in designer frames, and the difference is that ours are affordable. Not only are you gonna look better, you're not gonna break the bank. You're not gonna break the, bro, these are so affordable that for the next 24 hours, you know what? I'm gonna give you a BOGO sale. You buy a pair, you get a pair free. You're basically gonna get 2 pairs for the price of one, which is, it's honestly insane. You're basically buying them at cost. Like you're getting designer frames at the lowest price you'll ever get, and this is only gonna last 24 hours. If you guys wanna check it out, it'll be linked down below. Don't try to be funny. Yes, being funny can help you, but not everybody's funny. You might not know delivery. You might not know how to make her laugh. Your jokes might be too crude. So if you do wanna learn though, because it is an important task to learn, the best tip that you can do is submerge yourself into stand-up comedy. So go to comedy clubs, watch them on Netflix, watch them on YouTube. Watch one a week if you can, right? Treat it as if you were reading a book. What you're gonna be doing is submerging yourself into a topic where you're gonna be able to see what is a good delivery. How do you time your jokes? What are good jokes to make culturally, right? Know what jokes are crossing the line and some girls or women might find too offensive. You're gonna learn all this stuff so when you are talking to a girl, and the more you do it, you're gonna be looser, you're gonna be more confident, you're gonna be able to make fun in light of many situations because you're gonna have all this content running through your head. I need you to make her feel good. People call this the pull technique, and you wanna do this early in that small talk conversation to engage or pull her in. And again, you don't wanna be super committed here and super obsessive, right? Like, oh my God, you're the most beautiful girl I've ever seen, or wow, you're so perfect, right? That's like a super committed compliment where now she's thinking, yo, this guy sounds a little bit desperate. Be relaxed about it, right? You're slightly pulling her in with a genuine compliment. I really love that dress on you. I like the shoes. Yo, I like what you did with your hair. I love your smile, right? Nothing over the top, like you have the most beautiful smile I've ever seen from any girl. Nothing super committed, just relaxed, lightweight, because again, it's a 2-minute conversation, and now you've officially pulled her and engaged her. Now you push. This is the pull-push technique, right? Where you pulled her in. Now she's engaged. Now she wants to spend time with. Now she wants to hear a little bit more of what you got to say because you made her feel good, right? That feel-good feeling, she's associating it with you. But now you're going to push her away. And you're not going to do it by insulting her. You're going to do it by taking away the one thing she wants at that moment, and that's you. She wants to keep feeling good. But you're not going to do that. That's why you're not overcommitting in the previous one. What instead you're going to do is be like, oh, shoot, I have to run. Yo, can I get your number? And then we're going to meet up later. Something super simple like that. Or, oh, man, I have an appointment. Anything to step out of that conversation, keep it under 2 minutes. And now, at the moment that she wants you the most, you're walking away. And that she's not used to. That she's going to be thinking for the rest of the day. She's going to be thinking about how good you made her feel and how fast you took it away. And that's how fast she's going to want it back. You're welcome.